Hey everyone, welcome to Master in the Garage. I'm Andrew. Today, I'm going to go check out my buddy Mikey's new project because he sold his Bel Air. Sad story. It'll be a quick one, but once I get over there, I'll explain what he has planned for it and, we'll go from there. So we're here at Mikey's. There's Mikey.
Hi.
And this is his new project. He's going to take the body off of this thing and use the frame and put that body on the frame. Then LS swap this from this truck onto this frame with that body. So it's going to be like a 2.5 day job, and we'll get it all squared away. So this is like a tech tip. This is called an unplugger. What you do is, say this deal right here is like attached to the body and still attached to the motor. What you do is you just unplug it like this, and boom, it's unplugged. So that's just a tech tip. It makes things a whole lot easier. I wouldn't recommend it on your personal car, but other people's car, definitely. Hope you guys enjoyed the fat guy struggle.
Part one.
Two guys struggling. Two guys, one struggle. But
No cups.
no cups. But there she sits in the frame. That body goes on that, and that truck engine goes on that. And then we'll be done in about 3.5 days. So what you're gonna want to do, after you dump glass and stuff everywhere all over your dirt yard, you're gonna want to chop back the dirt and the glass and the things. It's the best way to do it, and take it from us, Mikey knows what he's doing. He's certified, knows what he's doing. So yeah, that's your tech tip. Might be some more later on, but yeah, stay tuned. So while Mikey vacuums the dirt outside, I'm going to start taking apart this Monterio interior and the doors and stuff. So I'm gonna start removing the door panel, getting all the guts out, and I can't use the Unplugger 3000 because we're gonna try to be a little bit delicate with this, because he's gonna need all the stuffs to make it good again. So I'm gonna start doing that right now. All right, doors off. We just got to do that 3 more times. So, you know, Mikey said they could have put a lot more harness inside the door, and I agree with him. There's the door over there, and there's the no door. So we're on to the next 3 now. Well, we got the doors off. Mikey is a happy Mikey, right, Mikey?
I'm extremely happy.
He's a happy Mikey.
Extremely tired and happy.
There's all the doors over there. There's the doors. So, now that we got the doors off, I think that's the end of this video. So,
Thanks for watching.
and you know, be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you like that, if you like the video. If you don't, you know, leave me a nasty comment in the comment section. Bye.